Hey everybody, it's Dion. Check out what I have here. I have a whole set of 220 pieces of different types of screws. So let's go ahead and open this up. I think I can probably just cut it there. Okay. And let's see what we got. I think they call it panhead screws. Is that what it is? Ow. Okay, so in here you can see these are the screws. They seem nice, pretty sturdy screws with Phillips head and nice good long ones. So there we go. So we have a bunch of them, all the way from the little tiny ones to some bigger ones. Those were the bigger ones up there. You can see here is the guide here. So we have 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 5/8 on 2 inch. We have lots of different screws, so we are good for a while with screws. Awesome, thumbs up.